Let's create a welcoming message widget inside Notion. Type /database and choose database inline. Give your database a name. Click in the three dots and hide the title. Rename your table Welcome Home and select it a proper icon. Add a formula property and name it Date1. Add another formula property and name it Today. Next, add a formula property and name it Welcoming Message. In the first Date1, add the following formula. In the Today property, add the following formula. Now, we will add a formula that shows different messages, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to different times. Make sure you type your name in these three positions. For better visual presentation, change your database view into gallery view and set your card view into none. Start to show properties in your database. Now to make your widget looks more aesthetically appealing, use styling. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. I will write all formulas in the first comment. I have a quotes generator for the new year 2025, feel free to check it out.